What is up, guys? Once again, welcome back to the Robo Universe. So, finally, the Chinese smartphone OnePlus has finally announced its prices of its new flagship OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro smartphones in India. And this is amazing. This everything comes with 5G connectivity and runs with latest flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. So, we were waiting for this and we all thought that it was a price hype or something, but it's great. OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro all Indian prices are really great. So, the OnePlus 8 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage is just for rupees 41,999, and the OnePlus 8 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage is for 44,999 rupees, and OnePlus 8 12 GB and 256 GB storage version is for 49,999. Talking about the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is the greatest thing in the OnePlus 8 series, that is OnePlus 8 Pro, 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage is for 54,999 rupees. And next, OnePlus 8 Pro 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage version is for 59,999 rupees. So this is very great in this Indian market as compared to the dollars, and in the other market, European market. This is doing a great segment, and OnePlus has done a great move for their Indian fans. I am so happy about it. While both the phones are appear identical, but there are some differences in camera setup, screen size, and other features. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with IP68 water and dust resistance and wireless charging, warp charge 30 wireless charging, and which can offer up to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. That's great. 90 hertz for OnePlus 8 and 120 hertz for OnePlus 8 Pro. So this is an amazing thing. The specs of OnePlus 8 are similar to the Pro variant, but the display size is slightly small, 6.55 inch. There are triple camera setup on the OnePlus 8 along with 16 MP selfie. But that's great. Both the phones are amazing, and the price point at which it is launched in India is amazing. And no one thought that it would be at this price, because most of the YouTubers were talking about that this there is a price hike. So this has been an amazing move by OnePlus in India, and the fans are going to be really satisfied by this move. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and comment in the section if you want to talk about this, and share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye bye.